Hello from Jordan Farrington Commercials. Here we have a 20 reg Ford Transit. This van's got front flashing beacons, full length amber reflective stripe, Chapter 8 compliant chevrons on the rear, non-slip yellow step. There's your full size amber beacon on the top. Moving on into the back of the van, this van's fitted with a hand wash. Also has a workshop setup, so that includes a workshop voice, a double plug socket here, cabinet for all your storage, all your rack in there, some drawers, some locker room with the keys there. Big 2000 watt inverter. Here's your interior light switches here. Vent on the roof. And these are your work lights. Moving on into the front of the van. This van's fitted with really nice leather seats. Here's your light switch here. It's only covered 106,000 miles. Here's your radio with FM, Bluetooth and DAB. Here's your heating controls with aircon. 6-speed manual gearbox. Passenger airbag. Your weight screen. Here's your cup holders here. And then your armrests too. Any more questions, please let us know.